Hi friends, welcome back to my channel SciTech. In this one I'm going to do a quick unboxing and initial impressions review about the Redmi K60 Ultra. So finally friends, I did get hands on with the Redmi K60 Ultra, and let's do the initial unboxing and how is the experience going to be there with the Redmi K60 Ultra device. So here's a quick unboxing of the Redmi K60 Ultra, so which has got the Dimensity 9200 plus chipset, along with that 5000 mAh of battery capacity and 120 watts fast charging. And along with that 1.5K resolution display and 144Hz AMOLED panel which is present. And Dimensity 9200 plus chipset is a kind of pretty powerful chipset in the Dimensity series. So here's a quick unboxing about the Redmi K60 Ultra. So this is a variant which I did order, which is a black color variant. So let me to get the sticker, and you can see the design. Overall it feels kind of pretty premium. So if you try to hold it in the hand. So along with that we do get the charging adapter. So this is a charging adapter of 120 watts fast charger, so which came along with the box, and this is another cable, so USB to Type-C cable which is present in the box as well. So this is a Redmi K60 Ultra. So friends, definitely feels kind of premium experience while holding the device. And the variant which I ordered is a 250GB variant and 12GB RAM, so with the Redmi K60 Ultra, and definitely the Dimensity 9200 plus chipset. I'm going to test its performance comparing with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor and other Snapdragon processors and the Dimensity processor as well. So stay tuned for more updates friends, and right now I do have the charge 61%, so we should be good enough for me to test out a couple of benchmarks and overall performance on the day one of using the Redmi K60 Ultra device. Even the phone weight didn't seem to be kind of pretty heavy. It's kind of pretty good, and you can see the bezels are not too slim and not too thick. It's kind of okay enough bezels, you can see. And as I said, the display is of 144Hz refresh rate, so we can definitely increase the refresh rate. That's also another advantage, so which is of 144 as you can see right now. So if you want, you can set the custom refresh rate up to 144Hz as well, or maybe you can leave it for default. Along with that, there are a couple of other features, MEMC features. I'm going to test all the features in the next upcoming days as well on the Redmi K60 Ultra device. So this is guys, these are quick initial impressions about the Redmi K60 Ultra, and there is a 50 megapixel camera, back camera as well, which is a main sensor on the back side, and front camera is of 20 megapixel as well. So I'm going to test the battery backup and performance, speakers, and even the fast charging capabilities as well. I'm going to test very soon. So stay tuned for more updates. Thank you for watching. Until then, signing off and bye.